quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world.
Look.
We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Uh-oh. Heating. Yeah, that's hot here.
Hey everyone, below me are
Oh no! Animatronics! Either way. Oh my god, I would break that glass. Dump myself in that bath.
Through intense pressure
yeah.
and friction, the grinding turns cocoa beans into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and
Oh,
dark
it's like
chocolate.
Nathan.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Milk and sugar.
Every day, shiny tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumb. Dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
The batching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers
Oh,
smooth
no.
out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky
Another
liquid
animatronic.
texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special.
I don't like him. He's weird.
Don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
The glaze.
That's so sweet.
The glaze is crazy. The glaze. I want to eat that so badly.
Looks like our packages are ready to go. And I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your house today. Remember that wherever you go, look forward to exit. Make sure that you're the one you are. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye, Alex.
Now, everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1.
Hershey's.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
All right, guys. Amen. Yeah.
The hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step
How
on
the
the
hell do
moving
you
platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.